Importing data from other applications. PowerPoint 2016 allows us to import and use the files or objects created in Microsoft Office applications such as Word, Excel and PowerPoint, or files from any other application such as Paint and Acrobat Reader into our presentation. To import data, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Object command from Text group. 3. Select the Create from File option if you want to import an existing file. 4. Click on the Browse button. The Browse dialog box appears. 5. Navigate to the location where you have saved the file and select the file. 6. Click on the OK button. The Insert Object dialog box appears again, displaying the path of the selected file. 7. Select the Display as Icon checkbox if you want to display the imported file as an icon. 8. Click on the OK button. The imported file appears in our presentation.